Today we're talking hot dogs. Not just any hot dog. Snake River Farms American Wagyu Gourmet Frankfurters. Cooking a hot dog, nothing really could be easier, right? But it's something we get a lot of questions about, and the reason why is Snake River Farms Gourmet Frankfurters have a skin. So most hot dogs don't have it. You'll see it says skinless. So what happens is the questions we get is like, hey, how do I keep that skin from splitting? We'll show you that. But the thing to keep in mind, actually, a lot of people want them to split. If you go to the East Coast, they call it a splitter. And the idea is to put that hot dog on the grill or on the flat top and cook it until it splits open. And that gives you ridges that get crisp, and you can put all your condiments in there. But we're gonna cook it both ways. If you like your hot dog with the whole skin intact, I'm gonna start by just putting a few holes with this probe. That's gonna let that steam release, and it'll keep that hot dog from popping. So we're gonna put those on the hot grill first, and we have to monitor those pretty closely. The splitters, we're just gonna let them do their thing. So I know you're thinking of when you cook different meats, you need to look at temperature. I don't think anyone looks at it, but believe it or not, I'm kind of goofball. I did a test. I cooked hot dogs at 130, 140, 150, 160. Guess what? The sweet spot was 150. The hot dog had the best flavor. It was still really juicy, but when I went to 160, it really started to dry out. So I'm gonna suggest, if you're feeling it, cook your hot dogs to 150, maybe a little bit below, not too much above. And hot dogs, they're uniform in size. They're pretty easy to cook. All right, so remember, these guys at the front of the grill, we're gonna make those so they don't split. And the other ones, we're going for the split action. There we go. The length of the dog. That's what I'm talking about. Splitter. We're gonna keep turning these guys so they don't split. High maintenance hot dogs. All right, we're gonna toast these buns because toasted buns are awesome. So if we look, we've got the splitter where it's split, and we cooked on high heat. And these are the non-splitters. We did puncture a couple holes in it to let it release the steam, and we kept turning them evenly. They are hot. Those are hot dogs, my friend. So for my friend, the splitter, I think we're gonna go old school. We're just gonna have a little mustard. And then the other one, we'll dress it up a little bit and put a little kraut on there. Have some onions. The important thing is you've cooked the dog the way you like it. You want a splitter, you don't. And now you're ready to go. That's it. There's really no big secret to hot dogs, but give that a shot. If you want to split it, it's a great way to get more texture. Fire it up hot and go till you get about 145, 150. And then if you don't want to, just put it over heat and continue to turn it until it's done.